Hi, welcome back to Graphics Mirror with a new graphics video. Today, we are going to create a text manipulation. So watch how it's look like before vs after. So let's start. Create a page of this size. Place this pic and link is in description. Add text of your own choice. By pressing Ctrl click on text layer. Now press Ctrl plus T and new layer. Close the eye of text 1. Add vanishing point to this new layer. Press Ctrl plus V. Press Ctrl plus T to adjust the text. Press OK. Delete the text layer. Add another text of your own choice. Do the same, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl D. Create a new layer. Close the eye of the text layer. Add vanishing points to it like this. Press Ctrl plus V and place the text. Press Ctrl plus T and adjust the text. Now add blending options to both layers like these. Here is our text manipulation is ready. Subscribe to Graphics Mirror for more lovely graphics. And thanks for watching.